What if I told you that you could lose weight, boost energy, and simplify your keto journey just by changing when you eat, not what you eat? That's the power of 16 to 8 intermittent fasting. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to start, what to expect, and the mistakes that could sabotage your results. Let's start with the basics. 16-8 intermittent fasting is the most beginner-friendly fasting protocol out there. You fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. It's that simple. Now, here's the kicker. You're already fasting for about 8 hours when you sleep, so you're really only adding 8 more hours to your overnight fast. The most popular schedule? Skip breakfast, start eating at noon, and finish your last meal by 8 p.m. But here's what makes this powerful for keto. When you combine fasting with low-carb eating, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Let me explain what's happening inside your body during those 16 fasting hours. After about 12 hours without food, your body depletes its glucose stores and switches to burning fat for fuel. This is called ketosis. When you're already eating keto, you're limiting carbs, which means you enter this fat-burning state even faster. Plus, fasting triggers autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup process that removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Studies show that 16 to 8 fasting can reduce insulin levels by up to 31%, which helps your body access stored fat more easily. Okay, so you're ready to start. Here's exactly how to make your first week successful. Day 1 and 2. Start with a 12-hour fast. If you normally eat breakfast at 8 a.m., push it to 10 a.m. and stop eating by 10 p.m. Day 3 and 4, extend to 14 hours. Now you're eating from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Day 5 through 7. You're ready for the full 16 to 8. Eating window is now noon to 8 p.m. Pro tip, during your fasting window, you can have black coffee, plain tea, and water. These won't break your fast. What will break your fast? Anything with calories, cream in coffee, diet soda with artificial sweeteners that spike insulin, bone broth, or supplements with fillers. Now let's talk about what you're eating during those 8 hours, because this is where keto and fasting work together beautifully. Your first meal should be nutrient-dense and protein-rich to break your fast properly. Think eggs with avocado or a salmon salad with olive oil. Focus on these keto staples: fatty fish, grass-fed meats, eggs, low-carb vegetables like spinach and broccoli, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. A perfect day might look like this. Meal 1 at noon. Keto chicken salad with ranch. Snack at 3 p.m., macadamia nuts and cheese. Dinner at 7 p.m., grass-fed steak with buttered asparagus. Avoid the rookie mistake of undereating. You still need your full daily calories and macros within that 8-hour window. Let's address the challenges you will face, because I want you prepared. Challenge number 1, hunger in the morning. Your ghrelin, the hunger hormone, is trained to expect breakfast. Solution: drink sparkling water or black coffee. The carbonation and caffeine both suppress appetite. This passes after 3 to 4 days as your hormones adjust. Challenge 2, social situations. Someone wants breakfast or late-night dinner. Solution: be flexible. Shift your eating window for special occasions. Eat 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. instead. Or just have coffee with friends at breakfast. Challenge 3, the infamous keto flu meeting fasting. Headaches, fatigue, irritability. Solution: electrolytes are your best friend. Get enough sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Add pink Himalayan salt to your water during fasting. And here's critical advice. Don't start keto and 16 to 8 fasting at the same time. Master keto for 2 to 3 weeks first, then add fasting. So what results can you actually expect from combining 16 to 8 fasting with keto? Most people lose 1 to 2 pounds per week consistently, but more importantly, you're losing fat while preserving muscle. Week 1, you'll notice reduced bloating and water weight, typically 3 to 5 pounds. This is normal and encouraging. Weeks 2 through 4, fat loss accelerates, energy stabilizes, and mental clarity improves significantly. Many people report this as their favorite benefit. After 1 month, your body is fully adapted. Fasting feels natural, hunger is controlled, and you're in the rhythm. Long-term benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, better sleep quality, and of course, sustainable weight management. Look, 16 to 8 fasting isn't magic, but when you combine it with keto, you're working with your body's natural fat-burning processes, not against them. Start slowly, stay consistent, listen to your body, and give it at least 30 days before you judge the results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more keto and fasting tips. Drop a comment below telling me when you're starting your 16 to 8 journey. I read every single one. Now go start your transformation. You've got this